All right, here's my CLI. It's a tarot CLI that allows you to explore the tarot deck. So we're going to run this by running the file, the tarot CLI file in the bin folder. So the first screen that you're going to be brought to is a welcome screen, and that's going to give you a card of the day, and it's going to give you a brief description of what tarot is. This card of the day is going to be a random card every time. Now you can press any key to continue, or you can type in any input to continue. So you can say even hey, and it'll just continue into the menu selection where you choose either major or minor arcana. Any invalid input will throw an error and reprompt you for valid input. If I put valid input this time, like major, one of the keywords that it asks for, it'll bring you to a list of the cards within that part of the deck. And in this one, it's the major arcana, which goes through cards 0 and 21. So you now can type in the number that's in front of the card that you want to view. Any invalid input, again, will throw an error and reprompt you for input. This time I put in 1 for Magician, and that brought me the Magician card. If I go back, this is the first card of the deck. And if I press back again, it'll throw an error saying that you can't go back any further because that's the first card. If I type in major, which is another keyword that allows you, I actually had a typo, so it reprompts for input again. I put in major there. It's going to send you to the screen with the major arcana listed again. I can then re-put in input. And last time I'll go back into major and then instead go to the last card in the major arcana. And if I try to press next, it'll reprompt you for input again because that card cannot be displayed because there's obviously no more cards in the major arcana. Another keyword I can put from here is restart, which will restart the program. And now you see the major or the card of the day is different this time. So again, anything to continue. This time, let's explore the minor. The minor will bring you to another menu, which will ask you for the suit that you'd like to explore. So any invalid input will ask you for input again and let you know that the keyword for here is the type of suit, which, for example, if you want to see wands, it's wands. That brings me to a menu of all of the cards in the wands suit in the minor arcana. If I type in invalid input here, it'll prompt me for input again and bring me back to the suits. So you have a chance to pick your suit again. I typed in pentacle instead of pentacles that time, so it threw an error and it's asking for input again. I typed in pentacles this time, and now I'll put in 14 for the last card in the pentacles, which is the King of Pentacles. If I type in next, it'll say I can't go just to that card because it's the last card. This time I'll type in suits and suits. It'll bring me to the suits again. And I can type in a different suit this time. Then when I get into the card again, I can also choose the last keyword in this line of this trail of methods will allow you to go back to the cards within that suit by typing in cards. So now I'll go to my last card that I want to explore. And then at the end, you can also press exit to exit the program or restart to restart the program.